My name is Tom Schott. This is Schott Packaging. We're based in Darlington in the northeast of England. We're a packaging supply company, so we supply bubble wrap, cardboard boxes, tape, etc. I used to be a web developer. I was just getting a bit burnt out with that. It got to a point where I wasn't enjoying it as much as I used to. My dad's business, a removal company, was quite in need of a website. So I thought I can do their website for them and then just do anything else that they need doing and kind of change up my work a little bit. I realised they had a lot of cardboard boxes, as in a lot of them, that were just kind of getting in the way, that you needed the space. So took some of those boxes, took some photos of them, thought I'd list them on eBay. They started to sell and it just kind of snowballed from that over a period of a couple of months. It got to the point where I was kind of so busy making the orders that I wasn't actually doing anything else. And that was the start of Schott Packaging. We started in a space that was probably about 500 square foot. We kind of carved out a little portion of his warehouse that I had cardboard boxes and a packing bench. We grew to 1,000 and then it got to 2,000. And then it got to the point where it was so much of the warehouse that my dad was kind of being shoved into the corner all the time. So he moved everything out of here, gave me the whole 10,000. When we first started, we were doing a few sales a week really. We're now looking at a projected turnover of about 1.1 million this year. eBay just seems like the right fit really for the sort of products we sell. It's just a really easy to use platform. From sort of day one, take a few photos, do a nice description and off it goes. Without eBay, I'd still probably be making websites. I enjoy the work I do a lot more now. eBay has really helped me sort of to grow this and for it to become its own thing. Just the freedom and every little change that you make, you notice the difference in the long run. Every time you bring in a new product, you work with that product and build it into something on eBay that customers really want. It's really easy to put products on eBay and grow them from there naturally. Without eBay, I wouldn't have started this business because that was the stepping stone that we needed to sort of grow. And we do hope to continue the growth that we've seen so far.
Keep updated on awards news as well as tips to grow your business. Subscribe to our channel on YouTube and click the bell icon to enable notifications. YouTube will let you know as soon as new videos are available.